Hello, today we're going to be talking about Agile methodology for project management and software development for our organization. My name is Douglas McComb, and this is for Man 4883. Here we see Agile development. As you see, the development flows continuously in a cycle of improvement and covering flaws and minimizing waste. The process for Agile is to design, build, configure, test, and release. The advantage to Agile for our organization is that it provides shorter cycles and broader market windows so that we can get timely customer feedback and provide ongoing improvement to the actual process. The value of Agile is observed because we're more rapidly available to get the customer feedback before all work products are released. Here you see some of the work chunks. What happens with Agile methodology is you go through the process for each work chunk developed. Here we observe the different components of the project broken down into these work chunks. Upon the end of each one of these sprints, the product is delivered to the customer to receive timely feedback. Upon completion of the sprint, a new sprint begins. Here we see what we used to utilize in software development, the waterfall methodology. This methodology allows for us to have direct control over each phase. The process goes in preceding order, with each step being sequential. The steps for the waterfall currently utilized are plan, design, build, test, review, and launch, which is similar to the Agile, except these are done in separate components. And then the overall product is then conveyed to the customer and provided. The disadvantage is it doesn't provide much time for revision or modification on customer feedback until the completed product is provided. Here we see Agile versus Waterfall with another very large software organization. You see that in 2009 they were only utilizing the waterfall technique. The first attempt in 2010 did not prove to be very well, but as time progressed, it became a valid integrated option that far surpassed waterfall only in the second year. Imagine how this would look in furthering the cause over more years. There are many companies already utilizing the Agile methodology, and we'll go ahead and take a look at some of them today. Siemens was moving 40 to 50 teams to Kanban, which is an inventory control system. The change was a real game changer for Siemens. Agile increased their productivity by 33%. It reduced administrative time by 70%. The product release time was 10% under budget. Agile made Siemens much more efficient. Here we look at AOL. AOL was to improve its software development process for AOL advertising. The Agile management tool provided AOL with a global view of all their programs and products in their development project portfolio. The use of Agile gave AOL the latitude to scale up and meet the needs of their customers in real time in all of their advertising needs. Here we see Kelley Blue Book, which we all know from our vehicles and such. Well, Kelley Blue Book offers an online software development software that you can go in and look at different cars and models and such. The Kelley Blue Book online software development is really a quantified asset to consumers. The Agile programming for them centralized all their systems for every one of their teams, provided a development process overall for the organization, and gave them the opportunity to provide real-time and up-to-date information to their consumers to utilize. Again, bringing them to a new edge, a new cutting edge for the organization. Cerner Technology saw great advantages by utilizing the Agile. Cerner reduced its time to market by 75% and increased its productivity by 24% and reduced cost development by 14%. They were able to reduce the turnaround time on system critical defects by 50%. These are staggering statistics in favor of Agile for such a large organization. Agile may not be the most successful platform in comparison to iterative and lean, but it still provides a quality methodology for software development than traditional models like waterfall. Um, so here we see exactly what the fail rates are based on a Standish Group chart. And we see here that 9% of agile projects failed, 49% were challenged, but 42% were successful. That is 3 times the amount of waterfall in the waterfall methodology in this. 29% failure and only 14% success. It's all the way around. It's a great solid foundation that we should utilize here in our organization, regardless of the cost and the learn time that will be affected and the training that it will be needed to move forward with a new platform for our program management of software development. Agile will provide a foundation in which our products are released quickly and allows the customer to give feedback rapidly, contributing to our overall operational success. My name is Douglas McComb, and I thank you very much.